Alright guys, what's up? We're back on our video. Today we're gonna be doing Night Before the Blizzard with another YouTuber, the Snake King Gaming channel. We've done this again because my recording got messed up. And make sure to like and subscribe as well. Browse lagging. Put wood in the fireplace. First objective, yay! Don't worry, I'm gonna give credits to him for making me do this. I hate Night Before the Blizzard. Okay. I think you should try to say like Night Before the Blizzard. Where is he? Wait, is he even here? Oh wait, he is here. Skip. I hope the recording doesn't get messed up. Prepare for the blizzard. Wait, first I forgot to get the drink. I need water. Did bro steal the drink? Oh my god. Bro is literally stealing the drink. Did bro steal the drink? Yeah, totally bro stole the drink. FNAF light? Yes. FNAF. Yes, FNAF. Oh, I turned this light on. Bro, what are we doing? Yes, we need to get the wood. The firewood. We need it. We need it. Huh? Wait, how can we collab it? Bro, did bro say FNF next game? Wait, how can we collab in FNF? Is that like a multiplayer server? We need time. We literally need time to focus this up. Oh wait, it was lag. Guys, it was just lag. It was just lag. It was just lag. I'm gonna do this. Aha, I beat you. Dude. 3 out of 3. 3 out of 3. We don't need any more, I think. I mean, I might grab a log already. That was stupid. Oh no. Dude, I can't. Oh my god, that was so dumb. That was literally so dumb. That was literally so dumb. Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Dark light. Where's the flash? Camera flash. Oh no. I'm in cameras. I spelled it wrong. Oh no. I can't see a thing. Open the closet. Survive the blizzard. Oh nah, man. Dude, I can't. This must be a troll. Oh wait, you can grab those two at the same time. And okay, I literally have red health. No! Okay, bye guys. That's gonna be the end of our video. Hope you guys like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.